your first job? Let me show you how to create a local profile. First, open Naukri.com and click register. Enter your full name, email ID, password, mobile number. If you have experience, click as experience. If you are fresher, click I am fresher. Then click register. Upload your latest receipt so Naukri can automatically fill many of your details. After creating your account, complete your key skills, resume, resume headline, IT skills, projects, and certifications. A complete profile improves your chances of getting recruiter calls. Follow for more career and job tips. Thank you for watching.